This is where it's thought the meteorite landed. But looking for it is like looking for a needle in a haystack, because these Berwyn Mountains cover hundreds of square miles, and it's possibly the most isolated, remote area of Wales. For that very reason, the search was called off late last night as soon as the police were sure that it wasn't a civilian airliner and that no loss of life was involved. The search was resumed early this morning when an RAF mountain rescue team went out to have a look, but their task was impossible, and so far there's still no sign of anything from outer space. But there was something, there's no doubt about that, because people saw it and people felt it. Your farm is on the mountain now, isn't it?
Yes, on the mountain.
So it was close to where this happened, whatever it was?
Yes, very close.
How did the children react?
Oh well, they frightened all over the place.
We heard a phenomenally big explosion. I heard bombs during the war, and it was far bigger than anything I heard like that. And immediately our phone started ringing, people several miles away who put it in this area, ringing up to ask us if we were all right. And we rushed out into the street here, and an extraordinary coincidence happened then. We looked up into the mountain and we saw lights where there should be no lights at all, because it's just a tract of land with no track or anything. So naturally we assumed that this had a connection with the explosion, plane crash, whatever it might be. But I don't think it was. I think it was the fellas out shooting hares.
We went out and couldn't see anything. Came down here about half past 10, something like that, and there's an activity around the village and we couldn't see anything.
How big was this bang?
Well, it wasn't actually a bang, it was a sort of a rumble, you know.
Did everything shake or what?
Yes, everything shook, yeah.
So what did you think had happened?
Well, as first we thought there was something, you know, drastic happened in the village, like a house come down or something, you know. But...
Well, I don't know. I thought it was that comet's coming down for a minute.
Comet Cahutek?
Yeah. And then Nigel jumped up and he said, "Oh, it's an earthquake, Mum." He was going to run somewhere, so I grabbed him and sat down.
What did it look like, Nigel?
Well, it looked like a round ball or something, and I didn't know what it was, and we saw a big light flashing. I didn't see anything else much.
The astronomical stir caused by Comet Cahutek pales into insignificance compared with the excitement this meteor has caused here in Llandrillo. So far, anyway, no green men from Mars have been found wandering on the mountain, nor even a humble hunk of rock. But even so, the thing that went bump in the night has given a good excuse for an unofficial day off from school.